This is the Rossm Carbon Fiber Wallet. It's super cool. It's very sleek, as you can see. It fits right in your hand. It's about the size of a credit card. Speaking of credit cards, I can just pull mine out just like that and then slip it right back in. I love it. It's small, it's compact. So it comes like this with the money clip. And I want to demonstrate for you how to actually remove the money clip and put on the money strap instead, which is something that they provide for you. I'm not a huge fan of the money clip simply because it kind of lips out just a little bit and it makes it a little bit cumbersome getting it in and out of my skinny jeans. It's not that the jeans are skinny, it's that I'm not. But I still have to get my wallet in and out of my pocket, and that makes it problematic. Here is the box it comes in. Rossm. Ready to ditch the bulky wallet, it says. Yes, I am. I'm so glad I did. I think you're gonna love this wallet. It's so cool. I love the box that it came in. I haven't really touched most of this because I knew I wanted to do this video. There's some extra screws. This is a little metal plate. I'll talk about that later. It comes with a screwdriver, which is really cool. So you don't even have to search around for a little tiny screwdriver. That's extra in case you need to repair the internal strap. This is the money strap that we're going to use a little bit later. And there's the warranty card if you want to register, which I never do. It does come with really detailed instructions, as you can see here. Okay, so according to the instructions, the very first thing you do is you take out the 7 screws that are on the money clip side, which sounds kind of complicated or whatever. It's really not. They come out, and that allows the money clip to just slide out of place, and then you're able to pull the plate off. So once you get the plate removed, you take the plate and you pull the strap around it long ways. Make sure that the little rubber pieces are facing inside because that actually holds the money in place against the carbon fiber wallet. Once that's done, you simply just place it back on the wallet and you put those screws back in, and then that's it. You're done. I got the screws in there nice and tight, so that means that this money strap is completely secure. Let's test it out. Stick a $20 bill in there, and there it is. You can see it has the money locked in and everything looks really good. This is it's a simple wallet. There's not a whole lot to it. It has the RFID, so you can't get your credit card scanned illegally. It has the carbon fiber, so it's nice and tough, and it doesn't take up any more space than the size of a credit card. I just love it. Can't say enough good things about it. It's definitely a wallet that I would grab. So much cheaper than the Ridge wallet and other wallets like that. You can check it out at Amazon using my link in the description, and you can see reviews and look at photos and other reviews for yourself. But I would highly recommend this wallet. It will not let you down.